discuss a poem, The Pencil's Story, written by Florence Hodgson. We'll do some warm-up activity here. After this, we'll start with the poem. First one is, make a list of things which are very useful to you in your life. Second one is, share your list with your friends. Whatever list you will make, share those with your friends. Third one is, talk to them about at least one of the things in your list. And the fourth one is, listen to your friend for his or her description of the things in his or her list. So this is our activity. Try to do this activity. You will learn so many things from this. Now let's start with the poem. We'll read poem lines. After that we'll summarize. Poem lines are like this. I am a little pencil and my name is H and B. I lie upon the mantelpiece for everyone to see. I am handled 40 times a day. It is a weary life, and when my wits are rather dull, I am sharpened with a knife. I scrawl when Tommy has me, and I draw all sorts of things, from submarines and aeroplanes to cabbage and kings. I write a lovely letter when Miss Phyllis is about. And if by chance I make mistakes, Miss Phyllis rubs them out. And if I slip and tumble down, I am certain to be missed. For Mother wants me badly when she does the washing list. And Father makes me keep the score when he begins to play. I'm just a little pencil, but I have a busy day. I really never am allowed to grow up as I ought. I'm getting shorter every day. It's awful to be short. And when the knife begins on me, I ache in every joint. I put it in that way because you are sure to see the point. I am very glad I am useful, though my speech is always dark, but every time they handle me, I always make my mark. But sorrow seems to follow me in spite of many a friend. For when I am meditating, I am bitten at the end. I am a little pencil and my name is H and B. I lie upon the mantelpiece for everyone to see. I am getting shorter every day and every day I am older. And when my last few hours have come, they'll put me in a holder.